In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix gray screen issue in Google Chrome 139. If Chrome is opening to a blank gray window, or your tabs suddenly turn gray, it's usually tied to graphics rendering or a problematic cache or extension. I'll walk you through a clean, reliable sequence to get Chrome back to normal, starting with the fix that works most often. First, try disabling hardware acceleration. Open Chrome, click the address bar, and type Chrome/settings/system, then press Enter. Look for the setting labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available and turn it off. When you do, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Click Relaunch to restart the browser. This switches rendering from your graphics card to your CPU, which often eliminates the gray screen. Your tabs should reopen automatically, but it's always a good idea to save any ongoing work in web apps before relaunching. If you still see the gray screen, use a temporary workaround by adding a launch flag. Find your Chrome shortcut on your desktop or taskbar and right-click it. Choose Properties. In the Target field, go to the very end of the line, make sure there's a space after Chrome.exe, and add 2 hyphens followed by Disable GPU, so it reads, Disable GPU. Click Apply, then OK. Close all open Chrome windows and open Chrome using that modified shortcut. This forces Chrome to bypass GPU acceleration entirely. Keep in mind, this can slow down animations and video playback a bit, so consider it a short-term fix. You can remove the flag later by returning to Properties and deleting it. If the issue persists, try a few maintenance steps. Clear cache and cookies by visiting Chrome/Settings, Clear Browser Data. Set the time range to All Time, check cached images and files and cookies and other site data, then click Clear Data. This can resolve rendering glitches caused by corrupted files, but it will sign you out of most sites. Next, disable extensions by going to Chrome/Extensions and turning them all off. If the gray screen is gone afterward, it's a sign that one of your add-ons is causing the problem. You can also reset Chrome settings by visiting Chrome/Settings/Reset and choosing Restore settings to their original defaults. This resets startup pages, disables extensions, and clears temporary data, but it won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords. Finally, confirm Chrome is up to date by going to Chrome, Settings, Help. Install any available update and relaunch. With these steps, you should have a stable, gray screen-free Chrome.